The first speaker is the Swedish Association for Sexuality Education.
Thank you, President. The Swedish Association for Sexuality Education, RFSU, makes this statement on behalf of Visible Impact from Nepal. We welcome the adoption of the UPR outcome of Nepal and express our gratitude to the reviewing countries for emphasizing on protecting the rights of the vulnerable groups and to Nepal for accepting most of the recommendations. Nepal made a strong statement at Nairobi Summit on ICPD plus 25, placing emphasis on investing in adolescents and youth and ensuring that they are able to exercise their reproductive rights. However, young people in Nepal continue to be denied access to sexual and reproductive health, services, and education. Therefore, we highlight Iceland's recommendation to implement the commitments made at the Nairobi Summit. Human rights obligations should not lessen during pandemics. The rising cases of gender-based violence, child marriage, menstrual seclusion, mental health outcomes, along with disruption of essential sexual and reproductive health services and limited access to comprehensive sexuality education, especially among young people, rural youth, persons with disabilities, sexual and gender minorities during the pandemic, is a clear indication of urgent need for resolute action. We welcome Finland's recommendations to combat the harmful practices. President, the clock is ticking and there is little time left for achieving the SDG FP 2030 or ICPD plus 25. Therefore, we see the government's support for most recommendations as a sign of its strong commitment to human rights. We, youth and civil society organizations, stand ready to work with the government and monitor the full implementation of the UPR recommendations. Thank you.